Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Hannah. Thank you for clicking on today's video and supporting my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the April Ipsy bag. I know it's not April anymore, but it didn't come till June, so that's why we are opening it now. Anyways, let's get into it. So first off, we have a French vanilla the coffee scrub, organic feelings Los Angeles. It's filled with antioxidants, minerals, and essential oils which help neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Each of its ingredients work together to moisturize, exfoliate, and protect you from residual dirt and damage. So that's pretty cool. It says that you're supposed to use it 1 to 2 times a week. You use it in the shower. Just use about 2 small handfuls and cover your body and massage it into your skin, and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off. And this is, you'll feel the difference. I love coffee. I love French vanilla. So this is awesome. This is actually an add-on that I picked for this month. So I'm super excited to try it out. I've seen a couple people get it before, but I want to try it for myself. See if the card says anything about it. Nope, this card doesn't have any sort of details about anything. So I guess we don't have prices or anything for this video. There's nothing else in there. This is the bag for April. It's super cute. Just reminds me of like sunsets, and I just love it has like a bit of a summery vibe to it, so that's nice. First we have it's a brush from, it says it's from Farrah. I've had stuff from Farrah before. I might have even gotten a Farrah brush and an Ipsy before. It is the Blender Brush 25EL. This is what it looks like. It's cute. It's ombre. I love ombre things, and it's pink. I love pink things. So that's great. Again, we don't have prices or anything, so I'm just gonna guess this is probably like maybe $5 or $6. Next we have something from Naked Cosmetics, Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. This, I believe, was something that I got as an add-on. It feels really soft. I know you're supposed to put it on your lips, but I'm just gonna put it in the back of my hand to try it out. It feels really soft. It smells really good. That's what it looks like. It's just like a little container, but it's super cute. I love lip scrubs. That one feels like it already has like a moisturizer in it, so you might not even need to put like a lip balm on afterwards. Next we have something from Benefit. It's the Roller Lash Mascara. I've actually never tried any of Benefit's mascaras, but I've been told that they're really good. That's the wand for it. It's super cute. I love having mini mascaras. They're really easy to put in your purse or in a backpack or wherever. If you're going out and you think you might need to touch up a little bit. Next we have something from Pixie by Petra. It's the Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. It's actually really pretty. That's what it looks like. It's a little bit brown. I tend to wear more like pinky tone blushes. But I'll definitely try this out. If I don't like it, I'll find someone to give it to. Next. Ooh, I actually got this as an add-on. It's from, oh my gosh, I'm gonna totally butcher this name. Belle and Argent. I know I've received something from them before. And Ipsy. It's just a little lip gloss. Let's just swatch it for colors. And there we go. It's like a really nice like peach color. Okay, and last but not least, we have something from Tarte. It is the Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. It is the cutest little thing. Like, it's so tiny. Like, compared to my hand, it's so tiny. Does it say if it has a scent? Ooh, it's strawberry. That'll be nice. It smells so good. Definitely gonna use that, and I love how tiny it is. Like, just like a little baby tube. Anyways, yep, that's everything that was in the bag for April, including all of the add-ons that I did. I did already think, yeah, I've already picked my product for June. I didn't do any add-ons for June. Nothing really like stood out at me. So hopefully that bag will get here soon. And yeah, anyways, this is kind of what it looked like for this month. Love the bag, so cute. They've been killing it with the bags. I can't wait to get my bag for June. It's got little bathing suits all over it. It's so cute. Can't wait. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.